Unlock your creativity with Miro. Discover how this powerful collaboration tool can transform your brainstorming sessions, streamline project planning, and enhance team communication. Ready to elevate your workflow? Let's dive in. So, hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can use Miro.com. So, the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Miro.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Welcome to the Innovation Workspace, a single AI-powered collaboration platform that helps teams more faster from idea to outcome. So what is Miro? Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard that designs teams to brainstorm, plan, and visualize ideas in real time. It offers a variety of tools like sticky notes, template, and drawing features, enabling users to work together regardless of their physical location. So Miro is widely used for project management, design thinking, and agile workflows, making it a versatile tool for enhancing creativity and productivity. So all I have to do is just click over sign up for free, as you can see, or you can just log in to find your account. And this is the once you click over sign up, you will find this page. We recommend using your work email. It keeps work and life separate. So you can just click over continue with email, or you can use other option which is Google, Microsoft, or Slack. And then here we have check your email. We have just sent you a unique sign in link to your email, so we have just to confirm it, and then you get started and you will find this page as you can see. So you can just search by title or topic here if you already have a title. So I will show you how you can get started and do your own and write your title. So here we have the boards into teams, so you can choose first the board that you want. For example, here we have a blank board. You can just create and you'll find like that as you can see, and we don't have any here. And we have other net like flowchart, mind map, Kanban framework, quick retrospective, and we have intelligent template. So also here we have the filter by all boards, for example boards not space, and we have here the filter. You can just filter what you want. Then we have sorter by last opened, last modified alphabetically, and we have last created. Then we have here create new. If you want to create a new board, space, important, explore templates, and we have here explore Miroverse. About explore templates, as you can see, we have here, for example, a various niche. For example, we have a meeting and workshops such as project preview, met, set, glide, start, stop, continue. Then we have here rows, path, turn, and we have here a last retrospective. Then we have quick retrospective also, learning log retro, Cellbot retrospective, and we have the way we work, project kickoff, OKR planning, and we have here workshop, then dot voting, and we have team meeting agenda and other options. You can just select the one you want. And also if you want to select the niche that you want, for example here we have all template, recent, Metaverse, building block, and we have here by use cases such as meeting and workshops, ideation and brainstorming, research and design, agile workflows, strategy and planning. We have diagramming and mapping, presentations and slides. So you can choose the niche that you want as you can see. So also we have here presentation here, slides, and here we have it. So right now let's just click over here and you will find this. So first of all we have here the title. You have just to write the title. So for example I will write this as you can see. And then to the right we have here menu. So for example we have here the board. For example new board, make a copy, export, move to. We have start his board, delete, background color, start, view, history, details. Then we have here edit. If we want to endo, redo, comments, find. Also we have other things. So if you want to find, you can just click over here, or you can just click over Control F. So let's give it an so for example I click over Control F and you will find here. Also if I click over this, I click over comments, control key, and you will find comments. As you can see we have a timer, frame, mind map, tables, programming shapes, stickers, emoji, and gifs. And we have also here templates, save as PDF, and we have a sticky note. Then if you click over, for example edit, and we click over control like that, you'll find Rido. Rido is Control Z, and we have here this one Control Y, and here we have also other things like view, preference, and we have here send to interactive display. Also here, if you want to create with AI, you have just to choose, for example, here we have in the sticky notes, flow chart, mind map, diagram, and we have here a sequence, and we have here a class. So we have just to describe the flow chart online shop checkout flow. Then we have here document. As you can see, for example, we have here retrospective summary, product brief, we have here meeting notes, research, scientist. So that's what you have to do. So here we have write a prompt ourselves an example. Then we have also image, illustration, file design, low poly, comic, 3D render. Then we have here diagram, flow chart, mind map, your diagram, UML sequence, and we have UML class. And here we have also other things like templates, as we did. Then we have here sticky note. You can just select the one you want, and you modify it here, such as the size, the color, and the font style. And we have here other options, as you can see. Then we have also here, if you want to add a text, you can just click over here, and you have here modifications like the size, the color, and other things. Then we have also here shapes and lines. For example, the font is one, as you can see, and you select the color that you want. For example, I'll select black like that, and here we have it. Also, we have the size and other options. Then we have here the notes. For example, if you want to do list, meeting agenda, project summary, workshop notes, board annotation. Then we have here tools and the media and integration, as you can see. For example, highlighter, frame, sticker, emoji, and GIF, and we have here comment and other options. You can just select. And here we have marketplace also if you want to buy something here. Then we have here Rido and Endo. Then if you want to just export this board, you click over here. And also we have here other options like facilitation tool and reactions. So here we have private mode, note, and we have also timer that we don't see. Here we have it. I'm going to use these features as you can see. Then we have the last one, which is voting. And also we have here the show and navigation, and we have here frames and layers. Choose frames or layers, and you click over new layer, and you get started. Add layers to arrange, hide, and lock content on top of the default layer. Then also about frames, as you can see, prepare a presentation and the frames to organize and present your boards. You click over create frame, and you get started. So this is how it works with Miro.com. You can just get started as soon as possible, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.